Okay, thank you. In on this vein of England, Catherine is asking, can Jesus speak of the Queen of England in the change we can expect, or is it a non-event?
Oh, right. Lizzie left. Okay. You are blessed beings indeed. I am that one that you know as Jesus. This is a psychological shift for many, many people because of the length of her reign, because of the iconic image of her head on all different kinds of government objects, from money to post offices to buildings, all different kinds of things. It is signaling a shift in the psyche of many, many people of a massive change. And we want you to know that the replacement that is being set up, the king, is going to be an abject failure. Is going to be an abject failure. The people are not going to get behind this person. There are, we would say, rabid royalists who will, but in general, this person is not going to have the love of the people behind him, and therefore the system is not going to be able to maintain itself. So this is what is going to be the biggest shift in the system, is the lack of love for the new king, and the lack of energy and spirit that is going to be directed towards the monarchy. As we mentioned in the last answer, when a system is no longer supported, it cannot live without the energy of the people. And this is one of those things that you as people do not really recognize. When you support something with your energy and your money, you are powerful creators and you are fueling that system. Even if you're going to a store, for example, that you think, oh, well, yeah, I don't really support their policies, but I need a product that they have. You don't really understand the powerful influence of that decision. We would counsel all of you, as often as is possible, to support those beings that you want to see thrive. If it's a big box store and it's just convenient and it maybe is a better price, if you can afford to do that shopping somewhere more locally, a local garden center or a local farmer, someone in your community that is going to spend that money in your community, it's far more influential than you know. And that's really what's going to be the biggest effect of this. It's going to be that the people do not support this person. They do not like the way he treated his young wife. They do not like the fact that he was cruel to her, and they do not like the fact that she died. And he is going to, when they see his image, that is what's going to be triggered in people. His relationship with Diana. Diana was loved by everybody, and he was her nemesis. And that is what is going to bring him a very, very poor outcome in this particular circumstance. So what we want you to understand is that this is part of the shift in your planet. The monarchy of England is a very ancient, power grasping and maintaining system. It is part of the old way of doing things. It is part of the old world. And it has been hanging on for a little while, we will say white knuckling it through this revolution that's happening on your planet. But this shift and change will indeed bring it to its knees.